This is my unboxing of the VIVOHOME Quiet 1/5 horsepower airbrush and makeup kit. Let's check this out. I'm very excited because, well, my wife and I like to do a lot of projects around the house, especially around certain holidays, like Halloween is our favorite, and we like to buy stuff and then fix it and make it our own. So this is going to be an addition to our little workshop. So we're very excited to check this thing out. Here we go, let's take a look. Well, it comes with an airbrush. And let's open this up and take a look. All right. Let's see what we got here. Man, that thing feels good. It's got some weight to it. I'm excited. It feels really nice. Let's open up. Actually, there we go. It's pretty heavy duty. I'm excited. Got some little tools in here, your little wrench. You've got a little eyedropper to add your ink or your paint. And it's got another tip inside of there too. Inside right there. But so far, so good. Let's see what else is inside of the box. Plumber's tape. Exciting, right? But necessary. Not so exciting, but very necessary. It comes with a hose. You can open that up, take a look at it. It feels nice. Feels like good quality to me. I can't wait to get this thing fired up. And finally, there it is. There we go. She goes like that. I love how small this thing is. Oh, it's got a little handle too. I love that. Looks like the legs are little suction cups to keep this thing, I guess, when it's vibrating, from sliding off of your table. Have a look. There's what it looks like up close. Now this thing is, now it's not super heavy, but it's not super light. I mean, I can hold it like this. I just couldn't hold it like that for very long. So what do you say? Should I fire it up and see how it sounds? It's supposed to be quiet, and that's kind of important. I am currently living in an apartment. I don't want the neighbors to get upset. Even though it's supposed to be quiet, I'm gonna turn it on, and I have a puppy who's currently sleeping right next to me. This is gonna scare her, and I feel bad, but I need to see how loud it is or how quiet it is. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that thing is amazingly quiet, because I feel like I don't even have to raise my voice, and I'm assuming that you can still hear me. I hope you can, but oh my gosh, that's incredible. It's perfectly quiet. I highly recommend this thing. I can't wait to start doing some projects.